How to cancel subscriptions on ElevenLabs. So in order to do that, you first need to head over to ElevenLabs.io, and from in there, just sign in into your account. So once you're in here, the next thing you need to do is to just proceed to your actual profile picture or avatar that can be found under the bottom of your left-hand page. You can see in here your account. So click on this, and you can see these options right here. From in there, you can already see the subscription button, so proceed to click on the subscription. Once you have done that, it will redirect you to the subscription page wherein you can see right here the plan that you currently have. I have a free plan, the next starter, creator, and pro. If you're indeed subscribed to any one of them, below the subscription button, you should be able to see a cancellation button in order to manage the subscription that you want. Just cancel the subscription by clicking on the cancel subscription button, and after that, just follow the on-screen instructions in order to complete the cancellation process. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. If you got a question, just drop it in the comments.